So we're going to find the seventh term in this geometric sequence. This is a geometric sequence because there's a common ratio. To check if there's a common ratio, make a ratio yourself. The ratio, you would take the second term, I'll call it A2, and divide it by the first term, and see if that comes out to be a common ratio. So if we take negative 4/5 and divide that by 1/5, what do we get? Remember, when you have one fraction divided by another, you flip the bottom fraction over and change to multiplying. So you leave the top fraction, negative 4/5, but you flip the bottom fraction over to 5/1 and change to multiplying. Now as you do this, the 5's cancel. You get negative 4. If you don't see that, you can go through all the work of saying this is negative 20 divided by 5, which is negative 4. At any rate, we're suggesting that r would be negative 4. To confirm that, to confirm r is in fact negative 4, check by multiplying each term by negative 4 and seeing if you get the next term. So you have 1/5, you multiply that times negative 4, you get negative 4/5, so that checks out. You take negative 4/5 and you multiply that times negative 4, you get positive 16/5. Remember, the negative 4 you're multiplying by is a negative 4/1, so you multiply in the numerator and in the denominator. So negative 4 is indeed the common ratio, and this is a geometric sequence versus another type of sequence. Well, we have a formula in the geometric sequence to find successive terms, and it's the nth term, a sub n, equals the first term, a sub 1, times the common ratio raised to the power n minus 1. N here is the term that you're on. So this 1/5 is a sub 1, negative 4/5 is a sub 2, 16/5 is a sub 3. So here we're looking for the seventh term, so n will be 7. A sub 1 will be 1/5. R will be negative 4. So let's go ahead and find a sub 7. A sub 7 equals 1/5 times r, which is parentheses negative 4. So that's how I'm indicate multiplying with parentheses. And then n is 7, so 7 minus 1. So 1/5 times negative 4 to the 6th power. Now use your order of operations. Okay, so in the order of operations, we do parentheses, exponents, then multiplying, dividing, adding, and subtracting. Well, we don't have any work to do inside the parentheses. The parentheses just have negative 4, so that's fine. So next we go to the exponent. So take negative 4 and raise that to the 6th power. So when we have negative 4 to the 6th power, that's negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4. I'm showing you this because I want to show you what happens with the negative signs. So every two negative signs multiply away to be positive, and so since there's 6 negative signs, all the negatives multiply away here, and we just get positive 4 to the 6th power. So we end up with 4,096. So 4,096 over 5. So if you were getting negative 4,096 over 5 in your calculator, that's probably because you didn't put parentheses around the negative 4. If you just type in negative 4 to the 6th power, then that's the same as a negative followed by 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. So that negative is only applied once if you did not put parentheses around it. So make sure that you understand what you're doing when you use your calculator. Negative 4 to the 6th like this means the negative's raised to the 6th power as it should be. Negative 4 to the 6th like this means the answer is made negative after you calculate 4 to the 6th power, and it's because of our order of operations. Exponents first, last of all that, this would be multiplying, multiplying a negative there.